Hi, I'm William Zawida Hadidine, and I'm going to cover Chapter 11 in our book, which is about understanding randomness. In this chapter, we go over 7 terms. The first term is random. An event is random if we know what outcomes could happen, but not which particular values will happen. Such as flipping a coin 10 times, you cannot know what will happen on the 7th try every time. It's all random. The second term is random numbers. Random numbers are hard to generate. Nevertheless, several internet sites offer an unlimited supply of equally likely random values. Our calculator has the same function, and I will show you this on the following slide. The third term is simulation. A simulation models random events by using random numbers to specify event outcomes with relative frequencies we are trying to model. The fourth term is simulation component. This is the most basic situation in a simulation in which something happens at random. The fifth thing is outcome. It is an individual result of a component of a simulation is its outcome. The trial is the sequence of everlasting components representing events that we are pretending will take place. And finally, the response variable, our values of the response variable, record the results of each trial with respect to what we are interested in. But what can go wrong? Well, plenty of things can. So, to prevent that, do not overstate your case. A simulation is always wrong, so beware of confusing what really happens with what a simulation suggests might happen. Future results will not match your simulated results exactly. So, in a simulation, on the 10th try you flip a coin, you get heads. It'll not be at the same time if you do it the day after, and such like that. And the second thing is model the outcome changes accurately. If your simulation overlooks important aspects of the real situation, your model will not be accurate. And make sure you run enough trials, because small trials will not give the most accurate results, rather than large trials, which will give you a lot more accurate results. The TI-84 calculators all have a function to get random numbers. What you do is you go to the math function, you go to the random tab, then you go to random integer. Then in this case, you go from the numbers 1 to 100, and the third number is 5, which means I want 5 numbers out of that pool. Your calculator also has an app that will simulate a bunch of trials, such as rolling dice, tossing coins, etc. In this video, I have us rolling dice about 251 times. So as you can see, you go to apps, go down to prop sim, roll dice, and then make it 2 dice. Then you keep pressing the +50 until you get up to as many as you want.